put the boat back in. Next, Mathieu Desnos of Brazil. Might have seen the name of the boat at the top. Polacek and think, gee, that's a familiar name. Well, the two went down earlier from Poland in 5th. Boat manufacturers as well as paddlers.
Desnos, formerly a competitor for France, now racing for Brazil and has done so for many years. Very tight in that up 12. Hopefully that was safer than Grigar's. Super fast in 13. He absolutely whipped that boat around.
So Poishones has just had 2 seconds applied to his time, so he's headed back to 8th spot. Gate 17. Desnos has got the fastest time so far.
Desnos is on a flyer. He's the 13th paddler, so we still have 17 to go. Oh, unfortunately, picking up a very big touch. The judges will definitely be seeing that one.
What's he doing in the lead up to that? Lost a little bit of time, plus the 2 seconds, 2.8. So that puts him down into 8th spot. De Gennaro, Preshkovich, Leitner, Butcher, Polacek are the top 6. In fact, I'll add Elchin because they're the ones within 2 seconds of our fastest time, the Olympic champion.